That is the one part of the verse in the Quran where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, Afi Allahu shakkun fatiru samawati wal ard. Do they doubt in God, who is the creator of these heavens and the earth, the skies and the earth? So now there is a challenge here. It's a mental challenge. It's a logical challenge, a scientific challenge. Allah said they are doubting about God who created this universe. That's the challenge now. Do they have a doubt in God who created that universe? And what is the universe which we learn? Let's go outside in the open air and forget everything. What's your religion, who you are, what's your nationality, what is your color, what is your language, forget everything. Just remember you are a human being and you look at the sky and look that there are stars and there are clouds and there is sun and moon and they're all perfectly working every day of our life without any mistake, without any error. The sun comes on time, the moon comes on time, the day comes on time, the night comes on time, and the water comes from the sky. The Allah said in the Quran that this example, when you ask to anyone in the world what you say about the clouds, and are they light? And everybody say yes, they are very light because they look like light. But Allah said in the Quran that the clouds are very heavy. Allah said in the Quran, the clouds are very heavy. And when we go to Google and we check it, what is the weight of the clouds? The smallest cloud, the weight is 500 tons. The smallest cloud, the weight is 500 tons. What about the big clouds? Could be thousands of tons. So they are moving like weightless and they have a great weight. There are clouds which is thousands of tons and they are carrying the water. God is moving them to carry our water to bring wherever God want this water to be fall. And that's rainfall. Now look at this all phenomena. Forget about what your religion tells you or what your priest tells you or what your imam tells you or what your religious leader or clerics tells you. Forget about all this. Just you and your God. Your mind, your heart, and yourself and your soul and your God. Try to see who is my God. Who is the one who made this universe? Allah said, are you the one who made this universe or are we the one? Or was it made it itself? Now look at this, the universe we are living in. It's very astonishing. It's very surprising. It's shocking actually. The universe, the circumference, when we see the sky, the circumference of the sky, when you go to Australia, you can see the sky. When you go to Middle East, you see the sky. You go to Europe, you see the sky there. You go to the America, you see the sky there. It's just one sky. It's spherical. And when you go and get the circumference of that sky, you cannot measure it in miles. You cannot measure it in kilometers. You can only measure it in light year. What is the meaning of the light year? You travel with the speed of the light, which is 300,000 kilometers per second. You travel this universe, one circumference of the universe. You need to travel with the speed of the light, which is 300,000 kilometers per second. And you need to travel it for 146 billion light years. You will travel for 146 billion light years. You travel with the speed of the light, 146 billion years. And if you just sit down in the earth and you look the sky on this side, sky on this side, and if you travel from that side until you go to that side, you need to travel with the speed of the light, 300,000 kilometers per second for 93 billion years. That can explode your mind to think about it. That if I go to that corner of the sky and from travel here going to that part of the sky, I need to travel for 93 billion years. And my speed is not the speed of the aircraft, not the jet fighter, which is 2,000 kilometers per hour, but my speed is 300,000 kilometers per second. And you need to go, diameter of the universe is 93 billion years. What is 93 billion years? I don't have 93 years of my life. Where I get 93 billion years just to go travel in the universe. And if I make a circumference, it needs 146 billion years with the speed of the light. And this universe, we can look at outside, it contains 300 billion galaxies. We are belongs to the galaxy which the scientists named it Milky Way galaxy. And in that galaxy, we have 300 billion stars. And there are stars which is millions of times bigger than our Earth. And even the sun, it is giant star. It is just a great celestial body, which is a great size of compared to our Earth. And with the temperature of millions of degrees centigrade. If the sun can come closer, we all burn. If the sun can go farther, we'll all freeze. So who made this control of the distance of the sun? Who can revolve it around the earth and to make a day and night for us? And who is the one reflecting the light of the sun on the moon? So the moon is visible full, half, 1/4, and disappear. And then it started with the crescent. Who is reflecting the light on the moon perfectly to make a 1 month for us? Unlimited questions, even to our body. In our body, we have a 100 trillion cells. Cannot imagine how many is 100 trillion. 100 trillion cells, and in every cell, there is a need of current of 1.3 volt. And this cell has contains DNA. And every DNA is like thousands of pages of encyclopedia. And that DNA is carry on, and that all the system of our body is working, and is all connected. The heart, the skin, the air, the nose, the eye is all connected to our brain, and our brain is getting signals from all our body. And there are 100 billion connections, electric connections in our brain. 100 billion electric connections, which you call it neurons. And it's all connected. And who made it? Try to think about it. Then all this will question, will answer you, there is a one supreme being. There is a one supreme God who is very powerful, who is only one, which we learn, who is not need of anything. He cannot be accommodated in anywhere, in any time, in any space, because he is unlimited, he is infinite. That's why we call it Allah Samad. Allah is free from limitations. He is free from space and time. He is free from body and soul. He is not the body, he is not the soul, he is not the creation. He is not triangle or circle or rectangle or a straight line. No. Whatever you can imagine, that's not God. He is out of our imagination. How big is he? He's bigger than universe. He's bigger than everything. And he's unlimited. There is no limitation bounds to him. He is free from any limitation. There is no past, present, and future for him. He is free from being a father, and he is free to having any beget a child, because he has no wife, he has no son, and he is not the father of anyone. Lam yalid wa lam yulad. Wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. He is not comparable to anyone. He is not like a human being. He is not like the sun, not like the moon. He is not like the sky. He is not like the earth. There is no comparison for him. No one you can imagine that who is look like God. No one is good. No, the God is not look like anyone. He is the most powerful. He is omnipresent. He is omnipotent. There is no any word which we can say that we can make his greatness. There is no way. Allah said in the Quran, if all the seas become the ink, and if all the trees become the pen, and if you write the praises of God, you write his greatness, you write his glorifications, you cannot finish it. All the seas become ink, and all the trees become the pen, and keep on writing the greatness of God. His words will never finish. Because you cannot imagine. You cannot imagine his greatness, because he is infinite. You know the meaning of infinite? No limitations. No beginning, no end. Forever. And he has knowledge is forever. Whatever happening to us, he knows in advance. What will happen to us in the future, he already knows that. And he planned for this. Everything is according to his plan. Nothing happened without his plan. He planned it and happening. 200,000 people born every day, he give them life. Thousands of people died every day, he take their life. You can look at everywhere, you can see God everywhere because He's doing something. 24 hours a day, you can see that God is doing something. He makes someone rich, He makes someone poor, He gives somebody honor, He take the honor of someone, He give profit to someone, He give harm to someone. There is no any limitation. So when you go outside and you look at the sky, then you will know your God already. When you see the sun and moon, you look at yourself, you know already your God, who is your God, who controls everything, who is the most powerful. What He wants from us? He wants from us to recognize Him, to praise Him, to glorify Him, to magnify Him, to say His greatness. And what else He needs from us? He wants us to be a good human being. He wants us to help other human beings. He wants us to be kind to people. He wants us to speak good words. He wants us to love people. He don't want us to hate people. He don't want us to harm people. He wants us to give benefit to the people. If you look at the Quran is beautiful. It talks about all the human beings are children of Adam and Hawa, the Eve. It means all the human beings are brothers and sisters in humanity because we have only one father and one mother. And look at the beauty of the Quran, the Surah Fatiha, the starting of the Quran, opening of the Quran. What is the first surah after this? Al-Baqarah. Al-Baqarah means is cow. Why God makes starting of the Quran with the name of an animal, cow? Because cow is giving example that all the life of the cow is giving the benefits to the human being. There is no other animal which can give more benefit than cow to the human being. You get the best of the drink, which can be a dessert, a yogurt, ice cream, unlimited benefits, and you get the millions of tons of milk every day. And who gives the milk? The cow. As long as the cow is alive, it's keep on giving us the benefits. And when the cow dies, of course, if the cows will not be slaughtered, there will millions of cows will die. That will be the waste of the resources. When the cow being slaughtered, it can become the best of the meat. The best food in the world today is beef. No doubt about it. In America, in Europe, in Asia, everyone prefer the best quality of the meat. The best food is the beef. And the best cloth in the world is also come from the cow. Even the cow is died, is still giving the skin to become our cloth. And the best of the cloth is a leather. And the best of the leather, it comes from the cow. So that is how Allah likes the example of a cow to give us, to be like a cow, to benefit to the people, and not become the harm to the people. Allah hates those people who harm other people, and Allah loves those people who love to other people. The Prophet Muhammad said, the best among you are those who are most beneficial to other human beings. The best among you are those who are beneficial to other human beings. You provide a good quality of food as being a trader. You provide a good quality of medicines as being a trader. You provide a good quality of houses as being a businessman. You can provide a good quality of vaccines as being a manufacturer. Do something. Don't think that I'm going to make money here. What is my priority? Is to give benefit to the people. And you have still right to get the reasonable profit from that business. But not that is the primary goal. The primary goal is I want to please my God, so I want to serve humanity. I want to give benefit to humanity. As long as I live, I want to give with my life benefit to the humanity. Even the Islamic way of burial, to get the body put in the soil become fertilized. And that can benefit even a person who died after his death is giving benefit to his body will going to make fertilize the soil.